Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss three more viral diseases. First is mumps, second is measles, and third is rubella. All these three diseases usually affect the young children, but in some cases the symptoms may appear in adults also. So let's start with the mumps. Mumps is caused by virus. It is caused by virus paramyxovirus, and it is also written as MUV, mumps virus. How mumps is transmitted? It is transmitted by air droplets. The virus comes in air in the form of droplets when infected person sneeze or coughs. Then virus comes in the form of droplets and remain in air. So when a normal person inhale that air, then virus enters in the body. The mode of transmission is also possible by personal contact. Personal contact with a infected person by shaking of hands, by sharing common utensils. The incubation period. Incubation period of paramyxovirus is 16 to 18 days. Incubation period is again the time period between entry to appearance of a first symptom. So it remains in our body for 16 to 18 days. It multiplies and replicates in throat and respiratory tract. It also affects our salivary gland. So symptoms. The early stage symptoms are fever, headache, sore throat, loss of appetite, feeling of not feeling well, symptoms are fever, headache, sore throat, loss of appetite, feeling of not feeling well. But at later stage, the symptoms come, and those symptoms related to salivary gland. So this virus attacks on salivary gland. It attacks on parotid glands. Parotid gland is that gland that produces saliva. It is present behind and below the ear. So swelling of parotid gland takes place. Swelling of salivary gland takes place as a result. Swollen jaw condition arise. You can say fluffy cheeks is also there. Swollen jaw is the late stage symptom of mumps, right? So if a person is having swollen jaw, then definitely there will be difficulty in chewing, difficulty in swallowing, painful chewing, painful swallowing. Next is measles. It is caused by a virus. It is caused by virus morbillivirus, and the mode of transmission is same as mumps, by the inhalation of air droplets, by personal contacts. Incubation period of morbillivirus is 10 to 12 days. So it multiplies and replicate in our respiratory system, and then after that it symptoms will come. Symptoms are high fever, body ache, but this measles is characterized by some special type of spots. After the incubation period from 2 to 5 days, from 2nd to 5th day, there are white spots with the blue center with white spots with blue center with the red background, and those spots occur in mouth. Now these spots are called Koplik spots. So measles is characterized by, identified by presence of Koplik spots, right? After 5 days, rashes arise, rashes on body. 6 to 10 days, rashes starts with face and then spread all over the body. First appear on a face, start with the face and then spread to neck, trunk, legs, arms. So 6 to 10 days onwards, rashes arise, starts with face and then separate to all body parts, neck, trunk, legs and arms. But again, this Koplik spot is the characteristic identification of measles, right? And last is rubella. It is caused by rubella virus. It is caused by rubella virus. This rubella is also known as German measles. So another name of rubella disease is German measles. First identified in Germany. USA is free from rubella disease. Mode of transmission again, air droplets. And personal contact. So we can see the mode of transmission for these three diseases are almost common. Incubation period of this virus is 10 to 14 days. Incubation period is 10 to 14 days. It is again characterized by presence of rashes. So symptoms: fever, rashes, muscle pain, and one different symptom is inflammation of lymph nodes. Virus attacks on lymph nodes, lymph glands. As a result, there is a inflammation of lymph nodes. It is also called 3 days measles. Rubella is also called So there are two another names for a rubella disease: German measles or a 3-day measles. So how the prevention of these three diseases takes place? There is a combined vaccine available, that is to cure these three diseases. For prevention of these three diseases, there is a certified and approved vaccine is available, that is MMR, mumps, measles, rubella vaccine. Mumps, measles and rubella vaccine. Actually, 2 doses are preferred. First is given to the kids up to 12 to 18 months. First dose is introduced in the young children when they are 12 to 18 months, and second dose is given from 4 to 6 years old kids. So 2 doses are preferred. First is 12 to 18 months kids, and second is 4 to 6 years kids. After the introduction of both doses, children are safe almost 78%. So MMR is 2 doses of MMR is 78% effective. So that is for mumps, measles and rubella. Again, one question is important. Measles is identified by Koplik spots. They will appear in a mouth or inner lining of cheeks also. So that's it for 3 viral disease: mumps, measles and rubella. I hope you would understand it.